Microsoft Store for Business is still not ready yet. There is a missing configuration. It's probably with connectors and tokens. I have already activated in Microsoft Store, Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Intune enrollment activated. It's here. However, the issue is not solved yet. Microsoft Store for Business is not ready yet. So we are missing configure synchronization settings in endpoint management. In order to fix this, go to dashboard and then tenant administration and then connectors and token. So you have to click on enable here and then sync. It says sync will take some time. Let's try to test again. Start check. Now we have only two issues.